Welcome back to Content Hub, the only YouTube channel worth watching. Today, we're journeying beneath the bustling streets of New York City to explore a network of steel and stone that has shaped the Big Apple's destiny for over a century. We're talking about the New York City subway, an engineering marvel that has stood the test of time. Our story begins in the late 19th century. It was the year 1869 when the first underground railway was proposed for New York City. However, it took more than 3 decades of planning, debating, and negotiating before the first subway line opened its doors in 1904. Picture this: a 9-mile track stretching from City Hall to Harlem with a total of 28 stations. It was a project of immense scale and ambition, and it changed the face of New York forever. The subway made it possible for people to live further away from their workplaces, giving birth to the city's famous boroughs and transforming New York into the sprawling metropolis we know today. But the history of the subway isn't just about expansion. It's also a tale of innovation and engineering genius. From the outset, the subway was a marvel of technology. The original lines were constructed using a method known as cut and cover, which involved digging up the streets, laying down the tracks, and then covering them up again. As the subway expanded, engineers had to come up with new methods to navigate the city's complex geology. Tunnels were bored through solid bedrock, bridges were built over rivers, and elevated tracks were erected to traverse busy streets. These feats of engineering are a testament to the human spirit, a reminder of what we can achieve when we dare to dream big. So now that you're caught up with the history, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more enlightening content from Content Hub. Now let's fast forward to the present day. The New York City subway is the largest rapid transit system in the world by number of stations, with over 475 stops spread across 4 boroughs. It operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, serving millions of New Yorkers and tourists alike. But the real marvel of the subway isn't its size or its reach. It's the intricate network of signals, switches, and tracks that keep everything running smoothly. Each train is monitored by a complex system of sensors and signals, ensuring that every journey is safe and efficient. This is the magic of the subway, the unseen symphony of technology that moves the city. So the next time you're standing on a subway platform waiting for your train, take a moment to appreciate the marvel beneath your feet. Remember the history, the innovation, and the engineering genius that went into creating this incredible system. And now, as we reach the end of our journey, remember this: the New York City subway is more than just a means of transportation. It's the heartbeat of the city, the veins and arteries that keep the Big Apple alive and kicking. So, keep riding, keep exploring, and keep making memories in the city that never sleeps. And remember, folks, always mind the gap, because in the New York City subway, the next stop is always an adventure. Thank you for tuning into Content Hub, the only YouTube channel where every video is a ticket to a new journey.